Hey guys, so today we have more insane news on crypto, on meme coins, on everything. So let's start with the fun part, which is everyone right now on X is basically posting their Ghibli style images because ChatGPT 4.0 came out and everyone is making a great art. There is so much that you can do with ChatGPT right now in editing images. So that's that. And what is happening? Obviously, the meme coins are created. Here is the main Ghibli. I don't know how you spell it, how you pronounce it, but here is a meme coin that is basically, it went up from a few $1,000s to right now at $9 million. It basically consolidated, went down, but now it is pumping back up because it looks like the top for these arts. And this is, I think, the account for this specific meme coin. But yeah, if you write the Ghibli in X, you will see top. Basically, oh yeah, even actors. Oh no, this is not actors, a partner of A16Z. So the whole crypto space is basically posting remade images in this specific style. And I mean, the results are insane. Here you can see many popular, famous images made in this style. Kanye West. So the biggest news today is this, that GameStop basically will be raising $1.3 billion to buy Bitcoin, which is insane. And the fun part is that seller bought 5 million worth of Bitcoin, and the price right now for Bitcoin is standing around 87,000. Before it was around 84, 85. And I basically asked Grok, how high would the Bitcoin price go if the GameStop bought the 1.3 billion worth of it? Here it says the price would go to around $89,610,000, which is great. It will be nice to see 90,000 again in Bitcoin price. So let's hope they are actually buying and these are not just some long-term rumors. Hopefully they will buy sooner than later. More news is that Ohio senator says the Bitcoin reserve legislation will be passed by August, which means that the Ohio state will be able to buy Bitcoin without President Trump actually making it the federal law or a decision to make a Bitcoin strategic reserve. This is basically great about USA, that each state can basically pass laws to buy their own strategic reserve for their own state, which makes me even more bullish because countries, states, banks, companies, institutions are buying Bitcoin more and more. And soon China will buy, Russia, everyone will buy because there will be a huge race. Because, yeah, everyone will want to have a piece of the pie. Next news, Ripple CEO basically expects an XRP ETF launch in the second half of 2025, which is insane. I am not really a fan of XRP. I know there are many XRP fans. I think this is a centralized coin. But overall, for the whole crypto space, this is bullish because if something pumps, everyone gets euphoric. And here is another news, is that Trump owns over 500 million worth of Ethereum. That's why if you're looking at the Ethereum price, Ethereum is still low, 2010. Right now, I still see $10,000 to $12,000 per Ethereum because BlackRock, Fidelity, Trump, they are building legit, serious projects on Ethereum. And this price doesn't make sense in my opinion. But I still see that Ethereum will go up like crazy. So I am buying myself, I'm buying Ethereum meme coins. And again, meme coins are pumping because there are news that basically BlackRock will be building on Solana. And I am buying on Bullex myself. This is invite only. Invite link is in the description and in the comment section. I'm using this because you can set auto buys, auto sells. For example, this goes down by 10%. You set your auto sell. So if you have to go to sleep and you don't want to sell, but you want to get set your auto sell so it doesn't go down to zero and you lose everything. It goes down by 10 or 20% and you sell, or it goes up by 100% and you sell. So great tool. And when we approach a proper bull run, proper Solana meme coin bull run, which will be much bigger than the previous one in 2024, that these tools like these will be so important, because here you can see basically how many snipers bought, how many snipers are still in, top 10 holders, how much they are holding percentage wise. This is a small percentage. How many insiders are holding. So really great tool. You can see so much. You can set your gas fees. So for example, people are buying coins with Phantom Wallet or on Jupiter or on Radium. They cannot edit their gas fees. And when hundreds of thousands of people are buying, for example, Trump coin, the Solana can get so congested that you cannot get your swaps through. And this will happen as we approach a bigger bull market. And on Bullex, you can set your own gas fees, and you can set them higher, so your transactions go through, and you don't have to approve. You don't have to swap to wait for the approvals, which takes up to minutes. And if everything lags on Solana, it could take up to 15 minutes. And on Bullex, it doesn't take any time. You can buy in microseconds, in seconds. And yeah, again, as we approach a bigger bull run, most of the people will not they will not know about these platforms that are so easy. You just go basically, this is invite only. Invite link is in the description. You basically log in through Telegram, so you can use it on your phone as well. And you basically go to your wallet, add funds. Here is the wallet address. You can send Solana from Phantom Wallet or from any exchange to this specific address that you have. And that's how you basically fund your wallet. You can track tweets. You can track wallets. That's why I'm using. But the most important is that you can set your own gas fees. And yeah, there are so many things you can basically limit. Dollar cost average, so many things that you can do that you cannot do on other platforms or exchanges or wallets. And again, that's why I'm using it. Invite link is in the description and in the comment section. And if you want to get the latest alpha, you can join my Patreon. I am trying to post daily content on NFTs, crypto, basically everything. Because as the bull run is getting bigger and bigger, there will be so many opportunities that it is more easy. It's much more easy for me to post on Patreon because I can post in few seconds, few minutes, and there will be many time-sensitive opportunities that I will post on Patreon. And it takes time to post on YouTube, few hours. It takes me a few minutes to record, then to export the video, edit, and upload. And yeah, it's much easier for me to post on Patreon. That's why I charge $10 a month. And many people already got more than that because they bought the Good Vibes Club that went up like 8x, 10x in value. And yeah, many more opportunities are coming. So if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.